Workshop Proposal Explained, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we are going to explore and understand the meaning of the phrase, workshop proposal. This is a commonly used term in professional and academic contexts, so it's important to know what it means and how to use it correctly. Let's dive in. A workshop proposal is a document or presentation that outlines a plan for a workshop. A workshop is a type of interactive meeting or seminar where a group of people come together to learn or discuss a particular topic. The proposal typically includes details such as the workshop's purpose, objectives, target audience, content, format, and any other logistical information. In this section, we'll break down the essential components of a workshop proposal. 1. Purpose and objectives. This is the heart of the proposal. Clearly state why the workshop is being organized and what you hope to achieve. 2. Target audience. Describe who the workshop is for. Understanding the audience is crucial for tailoring the content. 3. Content overview. Provide a summary of the topics or activities that will be covered in the workshop. 4. Format and schedule. Explain how the workshop will be conducted, including the duration, interactive elements, and any breaks. 5. Resources required. List any materials, equipment, or other resources needed to conduct the workshop. 6. Budget and funding. If applicable, include details about the budget and how the workshop will be funded. Writing an effective workshop proposal involves more than just listing details. Here are some tips. Be clear and concise. Use simple and direct language. Focus on benefits. Emphasize how the workshop will benefit the participants. Be organized. Structure your proposal in a logical manner. Personalize. Adjust your proposal to suit the specific interests and needs of the audience or sponsor. Here, we'll look at a few example sentences using the phrase, workshop proposal. I submitted a workshop proposal to the conference committee last week. Our team is reviewing the workshop proposals to decide which ones to include in the event. Can you give me some feedback on my workshop proposal before I send it? Thank you for watching our video on understanding the term, workshop proposal. We hope this has been informative and helpful in improving your English language skills, especially in professional settings. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using this phrase in your own sentences. See you in our next video.